What's going down, YouTube world? We at it again with another cool reaction video. So I hope everybody chilling and y'all had a cool day today. So yeah, man, we're gonna rap about this crazy cooking video. It's these Chinese fishermen cooking fresh seafood. Shout out to all my seafood lovers out there. You know, let's go ahead and see what the Chinese do. And here we go in this video. It looks like he's scared to cook. Turn the fire down, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. You see that shit squirming around in there? Yo, that's fresh. Damn, they like, getting their backs burned. Oh, the shrimp popping up. Oh, damn. He ain't even retrieved them up. He's like, yeah, they good. I'll catch some more. You got the, what's that, soy sauce? Nah, that can't be soy sauce. Teriyaki or whatever. Maybe some fish sauce. What is that big black thing? Like, anybody know what this is? Anybody know what this big black looking thing with the shell is? Like, I ain't never seen nothing like it. Look like a rock. What is that? A clam? It gotta be a clam sometimes. But damn. Oh, damn. What is that? Oh, shit. That looked like one of them things off of Alien that jumped on them people's faces and put the alien inside of them. That's exactly what that looked like. And you know, it got that little thingy right there. What is that thingy? I don't want to say what it is. Y'all tell me. I know what it looked like. Like the man in a little boat. But yeah. Yo, they wild. Shout out to all my Chinese people. Bro. Y'all wild. Man, y'all resourceful though. Shout out to my Chinese people. Y'all hella resourceful. Damn. Damn, that shit shriveled up. Or what did he do with the peas? Damn, that's what it shriveled up to? Sheesh. Bro, you heard him drop the N-bomb? I ain't the only one that heard the N-bomb he dropped. Watch this. Right? I'm not the only one. YouTube. Y'all gotta review y'all videos for y'all letting people drop the N-word on here. I can't say it. You know. Ugh. What pizzas do you eat? And what pizzas do you throw away? Because I'm confused. Damn. What is that? An ovary? It look like an ovary. I look like a bass. Look at all your face. Look like a bass. Stop playing with it, bro. He's playing with his food. Oh, baby octopus. Big ass baby octopus head. Oh, dang. Oh. No. He said, oh, I get excited, bro. No, I don't want none of that. Fuck. Sorry, YouTube. Woo. Shit. Yo. And then he just eating garlic off the clove. He ain't even cooked the garlic. Damn. Bro, he a cold piece of work on that octopus, bro. Shout out to all my crab lovers that be eating whole crabs. I ain't never even tried to eat a whole crab. Man, he trying to crack the shell on his head. What is wrong with bro? Bro, let's get a hammer. Guess he don't have a hammer on the boat. You get excited when you tear into that piece. That don't look exciting. It looks scary. Man, I don't want all that. Man, bro is definitely. I mean, he catch what you eat what you catch, or you keep what you kill, right? But I know we be eating some wild shit over here in America. Ooh, what is that? Are you supposed to even eat that part? Shout out to all my shrimp lovers out there, man. You know they fucking just sea roaches, right? I ain't gonna even lie, I tear some shrimp up too, but be eating those sea bugs. Yeah, I could do the shrimp, but that big ass alien that he ate, I don't know if I could do that. What do you eat today? Some lobster. Oh, you got 2 lobsters. You go. Can't go without. You can't have the dish without the octopus. A fresh one. Damn. We talked about the freshest of fresh. What is that? Man, can anybody tell me what that is? Look like an old lady. Look like an old lady pocketbook. A little change purse. What is it? It's all squishy looking. I don't know, man. So I gotta leave a comment telling me what that is. Yeah, squishy. Like a big ass piece of rubber. And hit it with that soy sauce and the teriyaki. What's that? Some fish sauce. And you don't hit it with no salt and pepper or no garlic powder or no other seasoning. It's my man Nugget. Say what's up, Nugget. Can you say what's up? Say what's up. Say what's up. Man, what is that? What is that? Come on, man. Ew. Ugh. Ugh.
That's nasty.
Yeah, that is nasty. Nugget, would you eat that? Would you eat this?
Yeah.
Would you eat that, Nugget? That look good?
Yeah, that's good.
It does?
Yeah.
Yo, that's nasty, bro. You nasty. I guess babies, you guys eat anything too. Ugh.
That's nasty.
Ugh. You eat the pocketbook part? What is that? What is it?
A poop.
A poop. It look like, I don't know, it don't look like a poop, but it look like, I don't know what, I can't even describe it.
It's nasty.
Yeah, it look hella nasty. Would you eat that?
Yeah, I eat.
Yeah, I would try it. It's a scallop, but I don't know about all the other stuff around the outside of it. But those are my scallops right there to everybody that like loves scallops. It's nasty. I thought you said you would eat it though. Ugh, do you take that part off or do you eat the whole thing? Yep, that's a that's a scallop. That's what we be eating in America.
I eat that.
Yeah, I might try the shrimp, even the lobster claws. I don't know about the lobster, the whole one.
I eat that.
Yeah, I would probably try some of the shrimp too.
Eat that.
I wonder what the sauces was that he put on it though.
Eat that.
Now what? See that? I'm not
I
eating.
got nothing.
This? What is that? Like, if anybody can tell me what it is, I'm trying to figure out how to describe it. Besides a leathery old lady's pocketbook. You know? Like it look like some bumpy avocado skin.
And nothing.
Yeah, it don't even look like something you want to eat.
I eat
And I
that.
bet you it's all chewy, like a piece of rubber.
I
Look like he eating from shoe sole. That's what they make shoe soles out of. Look.
that.
Look. He can't even bite. Ugh. Come on, bro. Like, what part do you eat? What is it?
It's nothing.
It's like the bottom of a shoe.
And nothing. That is nothing.
He eating gum bottom. Gum bottoms. What is that, bro? This shit chewy. He eating big ass piece of rubber. Eating tires. Listening to shit. You gotta watch your tires and shit. Fucking ew, bro. See, I can rock with the crab claws. We do that here in America. Shout out to my whole lobster eaters. I've never even tried to have a whole lobster. Some people say it's, I don't know, bro. The claws and everything. And you know the history of lobster, it used to be prisoner food. Back in the old colonial times, I believe. They used to feed lobsters to prisoners. Crazy how times changed, and now that shit costs $100 for one of them. Would you eat that? Come on, bro. You can crack the shit.
I eat that. That I eat that.
Yeah. I would eat the tail and the claw. This part right here. What is that? I'm not eating. I don't want to eat lobster guts. Oh, no. What is that brown, green stuff on the end of it? Man, at least he ate all of it. So shout out to the Chinese brother. Wish I knew what he was saying. He's like, this is the shit you supposed to eat. Right? This is the good part right here. And got a taste to it. But don't judge me if I eat my lobster, nigga. That's how I eat my shit. No disrespect to my Chinese people, but my guys, I mean, damn. Y'all be really on it. Y'all be, man, hey, y'all don't let nothing go to waste. Respect y'all for y'all resourcefulness. Respect y'all for y'all ability to sustain yourselves. Y'all find sustenance in a lot of stuff. And that piece of gum bottom or shoe sole he was eating, I couldn't do it. You see how he cleaned out all of that, the guts? It looked like, I don't know, looked like slime coming out that thing. But, yo, shout out to him. Shout out to my Chinese people, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. If y'all would eat some of the stuff he ate. But, yeah, man, good looking. I'm coming to chill with me. Y'all be cool out there and be safe. Peace.
Speak money, big money, talk to him.